Here we got the MX Fuel Milwaukee core drill. I got a 7-inch core drill bit on there. We're gonna see how it does. We got the Milwaukee hammer drill stand. Good to holster this wall, so we're gonna mount the stand and drill some holes. So I've got my holes marked. This is where the hole's gonna go. This is gonna be to mount the stand. So I gotta drill some holes to mount the stands. Got the stand all mounted. Now it's just time to put the drill in there. Alright, I got the drill shoved up on there. Now I can hook up the water. Got the water. Just plugs on here. Got it all plugged on. Sorry, I can't do it on the video. Turn the water on. Now we're ready to drill. Oh yeah, I gotta turn this on. This is the water valve. Ready to spin. And we're drilling. Anyhow, I got stuck, so I never gonna get it unstuck. It's doing pretty good for 7-inch bit. Definitely a little bigger than the drill's rated for. Way I'm gonna get it unstuck is put a wrench on here and a little bit extra. Pull it out. Alright, got it unstuck and got the hole drilled. Now time to pull the core out. Come on. There we go.